Hi guys, welcome to my home baking universe. So today's video is a little bit special. As you can see, I'm going to join forces with my friend and chef Emmanuel in order to show you that beautiful, delicious vegan burger. Alright, so I'm going to jump right in with the making of the buns. For this, we're going to use a good old KitchenAid. Let's start with a little bit of all-purpose flour, sugar, salt, some dry yeast, hazelnut oil, some water, and our almond milk. Hook attachment, we're going to go with the kneading. Couple of minutes on low speed, and we'll move on to the high speed for 5 minutes. We're gonna keep that in the bowl at room temperature, cover it with a cling film, and we're gonna give it 30 to 45 minutes to rise. So after a brief little rest, I'm gonna pick up the buns, a little flattening on the moist paper, and then cover with the seeds.
So for the patty, the mushroom and the onions, we're gonna need to cook them, of course, with a little bit of vegetable oil. So after a few minutes, we start to have a caramelization of our onion, then we can add our mushrooms. So for the bun, now we have our red beans, chickpeas, our raw beets, tapioca starch, ground flax seeds, oatmeal, and our mix of cooked onion and cooked mushroom. A little bit of water to finish at the end, salt, pepper, and a little bit of smoked paprika for the good smokiness. So we put all our ingredients in the food processor. And then we're just gonna pulse it a little bit to process until we reach a kind of ground meat texture. Very important to taste, to check the seasoning. When our patty mix is ready, we're just gonna take approximately 80 grams and we're just gonna flatten it on a piece of paper. Then salt and pepper. Then for the twist, a little bit of spring onion. So this is a very simple guacamole. You always have the option, if you want to make it a little bit more traditional, to add a little bit of diced tomatoes, a little bit of hot chili pepper, and even some red onion if you like. Alors, for the patty, hot pan, a little bit of vegetable oil, and then delicately we're gonna grab our patty and just drop that in our hot pan. So after 1 minute approximately, tack, you take it delicately and you can flip. Just trying to have this little shard on top, and that's perfect. So now we have all our elements ready to build our final burger. So first we're gonna use our mustard to put a thin layer in the bottom. That's gonna give a little bit of kick to our burger, very important. Our patty, nice color, nice crust, gonna give a nice texture. Then our red onion, so not too thick, it's very important.